This is Greek yogurt. As you can see, this is thick and creamy, just the very best Greek yogurt you can ever taste or come across. Now, this is as thick as ice cream, but healthier than ice cream. So thick, so creamy, so tasty. To make this, I'll be measuring out my milk. I'm using two different brands of milk. You can use any brand of your choice. Okay, so let's go ahead and measure out the milk. Now, when it comes to yogurt production, to every 1 cup of milk, you are going to add 2 cups of water. So after measuring in my milk, I'm going to first of all dissolve this using my water. After that, I'll go ahead and measure out the exact amount of water that I'm supposed to add. Remember, to every 1 cup of milk, you add 2 cups of water. You want to make sure that you mix everything properly and then allow it to stay for some time. This is me checking on my milk after about 45 to 50 minutes. I'm checking to know if it is the right time to add in my starter. So at this point, I'm going to add in my starter. I'm using an already made unsweetened yogurt. For your starter, you don't need a sweetened yogurt. You just need a yogurt that is already made. That yogurt can be thick, it can be light. It all depends on how you want it, okay? But it is better if your yogurt is thick. I mean your yogurt starter. If it is thick, that's better. If it is light, just make sure it is not watery, okay? The thicker your yogurt is, the thicker the end result is going to be. So now I'm going to mix in some of my warm milk. And then I will mix this properly and add into my warm milk. This is my yogurt starter. This is what is going to help my yogurt to ferment and become a very good thick yogurt. Let's just keep going. After that, I'm going to cover this to keep it warm. I'm using a cling film first to cover, just to keep it warm. After that, I'll go ahead and wrap as much as I can. Now you can keep this in your oven. You don't need to put on the oven, just keep it in your oven, or you can keep it in your cooler, or you can just wrap it as much as you can. The essence of that is to keep it warm, because when it stays warm, your yogurt ferments properly and you will get a very good result. Let's keep going. Now after wrapping, you can keep your yogurt from 5 to about 12 hours. Okay, it all depends on how sour you want your yogurt to be. If you want your yogurt to slap, if you want it very sour, you can keep it up to 10, 11, 12 hours. Some persons can even keep it up to 15 hours. If you don't want it so, you can keep it for 6 to 8 hours. Okay, so you can see my yogurt already set. Next, I'm going to strain this. So you need a cheesecloth to strain. I'm just going to pour in my yogurt on this cheesecloth, and I will allow it to strain. This is actually Greek yogurt, not regular yogurt. If we were making regular yogurt, then I will stop at this point and just mix everything together. But because this is Greek yogurt, I'm going to drain the water, and then we'll have a thicker and more proteinous yogurt to ourselves. So let's drain this. After some hours, I have this. My yogurt, my Greek yogurt is almost ready. The entire water had drained out. I already transferred some of the water, it had lots of water. I already transferred some of the water. I'm just going to transfer this into a different bowl, and then I'm going to mix this together until it becomes fluffy and creamy. This is actually very strong. There is no way, no water. It is thick and strong. So I'm going to whisk this, mix it until it becomes very, very creamy and fluffy. Greek yogurt is just a different, like a yogurt on a different level. It is so nice. So guys, Greek yogurt is very, very beneficial to the body. It contains so much protein. It's more than the regular yogurt, and it is also good for both men, women, children. Very, very good for men. Men actually need this. It is very, very good for them. And this is actually a more expensive kind of yogurt. Yes, it's expensive because you guys, you can see what I produced, and you're going to see my end result. Like the big yogurt that I produced, that I was going to produce, is now as small as this. That's because all of the whey that came out was supposed to form part of the yogurt. And then if I was making a regular yogurt plus the whey and everything, it's going to come out, it will amount to something very large. But after straining the whey and you have just this, it becomes smaller. That is why Greek yogurt is usually more expensive than your regular yogurt. Okay, so guys, we'll keep mixing this until it becomes very fluffy. If you need a more advanced training on yogurt production and everything that has to do with yogurt business, both preservation, there is a link in the description box. It's going to link you to Seller, where you can buy my course online. Okay, so when you buy, you have access to my videos, not YouTube videos. You have access to my training videos on how to preserve yogurt, how to do everything, like the steps and tricks and everything that has to do with yogurt business and yogurt production. So now I went ahead to add in sugar to sweeten this. You want to add sugar to just add it as much as you want. And also I added vanilla flavor to this. You can use any flavor of your choice. And if you want to use this again to make something else, like if you want to use this to make another yogurt, then you want to take out part of it and leave it unsweetened. Okay, that's it guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Do not forget to like this video. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.